Hello everyone, today we are going to look at some commonly ignored points in making nice music videos. My name is Kataliko. I'm a music video director working with Visual Lens Studios. Welcome to Video Talk. On Video Talk we usually discuss anything concerning video production. We make video editing tutorials, take you through behind the scenes and discuss anything related to music video production. In today's episode, we are going to break down the latest music video for Ledacy's Enyongejo and learn from it and see how the director worked on it to make it such a beautiful piece. If you haven't watched it, follow the first link in the description below. The video is directed by CB Magic. He is a talented director and he has worked with big names like Maro and DJ Shiro. The song is about a lonely man who is missing his wife or girlfriend and all he wants is to see her again. Well, I won't go much into the details of the story, but firstly, let's look at the filming techniques that he used. First, the rule of thirds. This is a commonly ignored thing by most videographers, especially who are starting out, and in the end they don't get nice looking videos. You should note that even if you have the best, but when your composition is off, people will somehow not enjoy your videos. So basically the rule of thirds refers to 4 lines, 2 running horizontally and the other running vertically, hence dividing your screen into 9 parts in threes, hence the rule of thirds. So where these lines meet are the key points where you need to place certain key elements when you're shooting, and they help you in your composition. For example, the horizontal lines can help you set the horizon line. Let's say if you're flying a drone, you can use these lines for guiding. So you can place your horizon across these lines, or certain walls across these lines, people, crowds, anything. So these lines basically help you to compose your scene very carefully. These lines are also in every camera, and they're even in phones. They help you in composing your scenes and directing the eyes of the viewers to what you want them to see. As you can see, CB was careful in almost every shot, making sure it is aligned very well to the rule of thirds. So the next time when you're out shooting, try to apply the rule of thirds and see the difference. If you can take some time and check out some of your favorite videos, maybe from your favorite video directors, you will realize that these directors apply this rule in their videos. So the next thing I'll talk about is the use of slow motion. Many people haven't known how to do smooth slow motion that doesn't distract the viewer, but I'm sure you've watched very many videos with nice slow motions and you wonder, oh my god, how did they do this, how did they pull it off? And you try it maybe in your video, but it doesn't come out the way you see it in other videos. So here's the trick. Slow motion is all about the frame rate you're using to shoot and the frame rate you're using to edit your video. I mean the frame rate of your timeline. For you to achieve nice slow motion, make sure you shoot at a higher frame rate, let's say 60 and above, because most cameras can give you a maximum of 60 frames per second, but some other high-end cameras can go up to 120 frames per second. So if you're shooting your performance scenes, maybe let's say the artist is singing, you can use 25 or 24 frames per second, or depending. And then when you want to shoot now the storyline, let's say the story of the song, or what they usually call the B-roll, now you can change the frame rate to 60 frames per second. Now when you're editing, all you have to do is change the frame rate from 60 and now put it back to 25, and this will give your footage a nice natural slow motion.